Today I wanted to quickly show a quick little fix for the OpenTable widget. Um, they have a widget in their backend that they provide code for, and this is that code. But I was putting it into Wix, into an iframe, an HTML iframe, and it was not showing up. It was just showing up a black box. So I'll show you how it looked. If you remove that div, and that's the secret, I didn't find this on the page where they had the widget code in the back end of the OpenTable dashboard, but I did Google and find, because I was having problems with it not showing, so I looked it up, and it needs to be surrounded by this div code. So an opening one and a closing one, and put that around it. And once you do that, voila, that widget will show up. So if you're having problems with getting a widget to show up on a Wix site from OpenTable, this is the secret trick. Get that little div tag in there. Happy Wixing!